Hey there, gorgeous souls. Welcome back to ArtiFlixHub channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of makeup and tackling those inevitable blunders we all face. If you've ever found yourself in a makeup mishap, worry not, I've got your back. Tip 1: Demonstrating excessive foundation. First up, the classic, too much foundation, dilemma. We've all been there, right? But fear not, I'm here to rescue your look. Grab a slightly damp sponge, and with gentle downward motions, watch that excess foundation disappear like magic. Tip 2: Addressing dark eyeshadow. Don't sweat it, we've got an easy fix. When things get too intense, grab a trusty brush and blend away the darkness. And if it's still too much, a touch of matte cream eyeshadow or translucent powder will save the day. Tip 3: Demonstrating blush blunder. Onto the blush overload situation. We've all been a bit heavy-handed with that brush. But don't panic, I've got your rescue plan right here. Take a clean powder brush and sweep it lightly over your cheeks. A softer, more natural flush. And if you need extra help, a touch of translucent powder is your secret weapon. Tip 4: Addressing bold brows. Now, let's tackle bold brows, a makeup challenge we've all faced. But guess what? It's not a dead end. Grab a clean Q-tip and brush your brows in the opposite direction. Watch those heavy brows transform into a more balanced look before your eyes. Tip 5: Showing mascara smudging. Last but not least, the dreaded mascara on eyelids mishap. Fear not, my friends, I've got the ultimate trick up my sleeve. Apply your mascara, let it dry, and then gently use a Q-tip to erase those smudges. No need to redo your masterpiece, you're good to go. There you have it, fabulous viewers. 5 makeup mishaps, 5 expert fixes. Remember, makeup is all about experimentation. And now you're armed with the knowledge to turn any blunder into a beauty triumph. There you have it, fabulous viewers. 5 makeup mishaps, 5 expert fixes. Remember, makeup is all about experimentation. And now you're armed with the knowledge to turn any blunder into a beauty triumph. If you found these tips handy, give that thumbs up, and hey, don't forget to subscribe for more makeup magic. Until next time, stay flawless and keep slaying. Goodbye.